Unveiling the wonders of Santorini, a volcanic paradise awaits you. Santorini, a stunning island, boasts a rich volcanic history shaped by powerful eruptions. This paradise is famous for its Assyrtiko wine, thriving in the unique volcanic soil. Explore multicolored beaches like the iconic Red Beach and captivating black sand shores. Known as Stragli, Santorini's official name is Thera, steeped in Greek mythology. Couples flock here for breathtaking views, including the Santorini volcano and Akrotiri lighthouse. Join us for more breathtaking destinations and travel tips.